If you want to study university or college in Canada, we have the easiest way to do it. Just go to our website and start your road to Canada. The steps are easy. Step 1, visit our website. Step 2, register to become a member. You can also choose our concierge service membership. Step 3, pay for your membership and complete your initial profile by answering a few questions. Step 4, choose your school and study program. Apply directly in our website, and wait for the school to send your letter of acceptance. Step 5, once you receive your letter of acceptance, apply for your student visa. After you are approved, schedule your trip to study in Canada. And if you choose our concierge service, we guide you through it all and support you all through your studies in Canada. Our services are designed for your success. From our website, students can choose from over 12,000 schools and 52,000 study programs. Since English is an important skill to succeed in everything, and a requirement to study in Canada and do well, we give you SRT, a tool that will tell you exactly where is your English level at, and give you the free resources to improve it. Studying in Canada through Clearport, you will expand your knowledge, obtain practical training, perfect your English, get a highly valued international degree, be able to work part-time while you study, and open a path to stay in Canada to live and work here if you wish. As a member, you get several key benefits. You will save weeks or even months researching schools and programs. You can make sure that the school and program you choose are the right match for you. This saves you money and also valuable time. By choosing the right school and program at the right cost, you will be in the best path to reach your goals and succeed. With our SRT, you will be able to assess and improve your English even before you come to Canada, so that you are ready to be successful at university or college. Then, you will become fully bilingual while studying in Canada. Studying in Canada will also open immigration paths for you, through a post-graduation work permit. And if you choose our concierge service, we will support you all through this process, giving you advice at every step and even 24/7 emergency assistance while you study in Canada. Through our concierge service, we do all the work for you. While our membership gives you great value and the free gift of our SRT English assessment and improvement tool, you have to do some work yourself. If you upgrade to our concierge service, you get much more convenience and peace of mind. You will talk to one of our specialized consultants to build your detailed profile, including your background, goals, preferences and needs. Based on this, we find and recommend the right school and program, also considering all their requirements. We help you in all the school application process, and once you are accepted, we help you prepare and submit your student visa application. We review all the documentation for these applications. We also help you make the right living arrangements, and give you 24/7 emergency support while you study in Canada. With our concierge service, we make it easy for you and make sure everything is done right. All the convenience and peace of mind for you, because we support you every step of the way. Join our satisfied students from all over the world. We can help you no matter what you choose to study. A full university or college degree, a diploma or certificate program, a master's or a PhD, or even if you want to enroll in a full-time English as a second language program. With Clearport, you will be able to study in Canada and be successful, have fun, make friends for life, and open a bright future for you. Visit our website. It's easy to become a member today, and you can choose to upgrade to our concierge service. We can help make your dreams come true. We are your door to Canada.